Hey guys, Jeff Discher, real estate broker with the Discher Group at Douglas Elliman. And today I want to cover a topic that I've heard floating around. It's been kind of popularized the last few years, but it's probably been used over time, but they finally came up with a name with it. And that name is house hacking. So what does house hacking mean? It means using your credit, your purchasing power to go buy a home. Let's start off with a single family home. You go buy a 4-bedroom home and you rent out 3 bedrooms of that house to subsidize or cover your mortgage payment, so it minimizes what you are actually paying each month. And those people are actually helping you pay down your principal mortgage. So over time, those 3 other rooms that you rent out are gonna actually make you money and help pay off your investment. Another perfect example would be buying a 2 to 4 unit. So say you're buying a 3-plex. It's literally 3 separate apartments. You buy the 3-plex, you rent out 2, you live in 1. Again, you minimize your overhead by having the other 2 units subsidize or help cover the mortgage of the entire property. Another example would be adding the ADU, an accessory dweller unit, to the back of the property. So say you buy a single family home, you can add an ADU to the back, which will provide additional income, therefore offsetting your mortgage payment. So in a nutshell, that's basically a few examples. And what house hacking is using your credit, your income to buy a property and then utilizing other people to help pay your mortgage. It's a really good way, especially for VA, especially for people that want to get in the investment space, but they don't have enough money or the cash flow might be tough. It's also another way to, if you can't afford a lot, but you have good credit, good job, you can actually buy something more expensive, bigger investment, bigger price with more appreciation over time, and use, again, other people to help pay off that principal. So I hope that helped. Against house hacking, Jeff Discher, real estate broker with the Discher Group. If you have any questions, be sure to reach out to me and my social media, which is I Sell Real Estate, Instagram, Jeff Discher, Facebook, Jeff Discher, YouTube. Until then, see you guys next time.